Have you ever thought about this? Every month we earn money, we pay bills, we spend on food, shopping, entertainment, and at the end of the month we say, where did money go? But what if you could build a habit where a small amount of money goes towards your future automatically? This is where SIP comes in. Many people hear words like mutual funds, investment, stock market, and feel that is complicated. But SIP is actually a simple way to start investing. This video will understand what SIP is, how it works, how many how money grows, and whether it is suitable for beginners. First of all, is what is SIP? SIP means systematic investment plan. In a simple language, SIP means investing a fixed amount of money regularly, usually every month, into a mutual fund. Think about it like a subscription. Every month you pay for your internet, mobile charge, or streaming service. Similarly, SIP automatically takes a fixed amount from your bank account and invest it. Example, suppose you decide I will invest 2000 every month. On a fixed date, the money goes into chosen mutual fund. You don't have to manually invest every time. SIP is not an investment itself. One common misunderstanding is that SIP in itself is an investment. Actually, SIP is just a method, like how you pay money monthly. The money through SIP goes into mutual fund. A mutual fund collects money from many investors and invest it in different assets like stocks, bonds, and other securities. Imagine 10,000 people putting money together. A professional fund manager manages their money according to the fund's score. Simple example of SIP. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you invest 3,000 every month. After 1 year, 3,000 12 months is equal to 36,000 invested. After 5 years, 36,000 into 5 is equal to 1,80,000 invested. Now, if the investment grows over time, your total value can become higher. Remember one thing, returns are not guaranteed. Market investment go up and down, but historic long-term investing has helped many investors create wealth. How SIP makes money? The biggest power behind SIP is not just investing, it is time, thinking about planting a tree. A tree doesn't become huge in one day, it grows slowly. Investment works similarly. You early investment get time to grow. With the returns generator can also start in generating returns. This is called compounding. Rupee cost averaging. Another advantage is IP is something called rupee cost averaging. Let's understand simply. Suppose you invest 2000 every month. One month the market is high, your 2000 buys fewer units. Another month the market fails, your 2000 buys more units. Over time, your buying price gets averaged. This removes the pressure of trying to guess the perfect time to invest. SIP versus saving money. Many people only keep money in saving accounts. Saving is important because you need emergency money. But for long-term goals, only saving may not always be enough. Why? Because inflation reduces the value of money. Example, something cost 100 today may cost more than after 10 years. So your money needs to grow faster than inflation. Who should start SIP? SIP can be useful for different types of people. A beginner who wants to start investing, a person saving for long-term goals, someone who wants discipline investing. But before investing, understand your goal. Are you investing for retirement or child education or buying a house or wealth creation? The goal decides your investment approach. Common SIP mistakes. Now, some mistakes beginners make. Number one, stopping SIP when the market falls. Market naturally moves up and down. Many investors panic and stop exactly when patience is needed. Number two, expecting quick money. SIP is generally considered a long-term approach. It is not a shortcut to become rich. Number three, investing without understanding. Always learn before putting your money. Now the end part. So in simple words, SIP is a disciplined way of investing a fixed amount regularly into mutual funds. It helps you build a habit. It gives the money time to grow and it makes investing easier for beginners. The most important thing is not starting with a huge amount. The important thing is starting with consistency and understanding. The future is built by the small decisions you make today. Thank you.